I wasn't sure if I was going to do a Friday Sews video this week, but I received some sewing related gifts for Christmas and I thought I'd chat to you about them. Hi, I'm Izzy, and this channel is all about making myself a wardrobe that fits both my body shape and my sense of style, with a few quilting and bag making projects thrown in just for fun. All right, so Christmas gifts. I was spoiled this year. I already told you during Vlogmas about the new camera that hubby bought me for the channel so I could vlog out and about with a smaller handheld camera rather than this one I'm talking on right now. But the kids bought me some sewing related things that I am super thrilled about. So the first thing, and I hinted at this during Vlogmas, but the kids got me this Vario creative tool, and this is basically something that would allow me to put snaps, rivets, eyelets, anything into sewing projects without needing to use like a hand thing. So yeah, it only came with a piercing tool, and that's the only tool it comes with. So during like the next few days, like I have a trip planned to a sewing store at some point, and I'm going to get myself a few accessories that go with my machine. I'm super thrilled with this. And Marianne got me a really fun jigsaw puzzle. Look at this. Can you see? This is a quilting workshop. I absolutely love it. It is 1,000 pieces. Yeah, I started putting it together yesterday actually, on Christmas Day. And I've got all of the outside and a little bit of the inside done. But yeah, super nice and relaxing. Like, I'm not a huge fan of jigsaw puzzles, but once in a while I really like to get into one. And what better time to get into a jigsaw than when you're on vacation with nothing to do. So I've been playing around with that, which has been amazing. I also got some Amazon gift cards that I will be spending probably on sewing related tools or notions, things like that. So yeah, I was spoiled. I was very, very happy. The lip balm holders that I made as gifts were extremely well received. Everybody loved them. The Avenir jumpsuit, my black and white Avenir jumpsuit that I wore on Christmas Eve, was perfect. It was comfortable. It was still very stylish and polished. I got a ton of compliments, and I really, really enjoyed wearing it on the day. And then on Christmas Day, to go to our son's house, I ended up wearing my burgundy South Bank dress with black tights and fuzzy socks, and I was so comfortable. It was nice and toasty and comfy and allowed me to eat lots and lots of food without feeling restricted in my clothing whatsoever. So yeah, big success, and I got compliments on that dress as well. So very successful Christmas. I had a ball spending time with family, including my 97-year-old grandmother who joined us for Christmas Eve at my mom's house, and it was fabulous to see her. And then Christmas Day was just its usual chaotic, yeah, with all the kids and the grandkids and lots of screaming, and yeah, but it was really, really good. I had a fabulous Christmas. How about you? How was your Christmas? I hope it was everything you wanted it to be. So let me know in the comments if you received any interesting sewing related gifts for Christmas. Now, it wouldn't be a Friday Sews video if I didn't talk to you about my plans for the upcoming week. So, I don't have a lot of plans because I kind of want to go with the flow until I go back to work. But I've been wanting to try fitting, like using the Nancy Zeman method to fit another top on myself and try her method for doing a full bust adjustment. So, I have this pattern in my stash, and I think I'm gonna try and make this version right here using Nancy Zeman's method. So this top has bust darts, which I feel will make it easier. It's got set-in sleeves, so no complicated, you know, raglans or anything like that. And I love the details on the top. I like the frill at the neckline. As you know, I like to bring the eyes up and away from my midsection whenever I can. So a frill at the neckline, I think, will add some interest up here. It's got an elastic in the waist, so it turns it into almost like a peplum top. And it's got elasticated sleeves that end with like a frill. So yeah, it's basically this version here that I want to make. So yeah, we'll see if it works out. I mean, so far I have done two big 4 patterns that I managed to fit really, really well using the Nancy Zeman method. And I had not have much success with any big 4 patterns before that. So I'm excited about this one, and I'm going to work on this probably over the next week or so. Like I always do, I'm going to record the whole process, like how I adjust the pattern to make it fit me and so on, and I'm going to put that out at some point in January. I do have a ton of rayon fabric I can use for this. So yeah, I'll just pick something from my stash and give it a try. I mean, I've been so successful with that method so far that I don't think I'm going to bother with a muslin. I'm just going to cut into some rayon fabric that isn't overly precious to me, so that if it all goes horribly, horribly wrong, I'm not going to cry over wasted fabric. But chances are I'm just going to have something I can wear at the end of it. So yeah, those are my plans in terms of sewing for the next week. And then the other thing I really have to do is clean this room. I mean, put stuff away, get stuff organized. Through the last few months, because things have been busy and hectic, I've got a ton of things. I've got piles and piles of stuff here. A lot of which are on my other desk that I'm supposed to use with my Cricut machine, but it's so full of stuff. Even if I wanted to use my machine, there's no room for me to do anything there. So I really want to clear the surfaces around here, put stuff away where it belongs, do a good bit of dusting and sweeping, and yeah, just get this to a place where I'm happy to come down here and I'm not tripping over things. So those are the only goals or plans I have for the next week or so. Like I said, I really want to go with the flow over the next few weeks because I do go back to work on January 6th. So I want to take advantage of the fact that the holiday festivities are pretty much over in terms of like Christmas and New Year's. We don't typically do anything for New Year's Day. So the big stuff is over for us now. So I just want to chill. There's quite a few hockey games I want to watch or go see. Our grandsons are playing throughout the holidays. And then I have a birthday party to go to on the 2nd. But then that's it. Then it's going to be relaxation and rest and working on my jigsaw puzzle and coming down here to sew some things. So that's basically the life update. It's been a hectic, really hectic month of December with Vlogmas and Christmas. And yeah, so I really want to just chill for the next couple of weeks until I get back to work. Now, for next Friday's Friday Sews video, because I'm still going to be on vacation, I'm hoping to do a live one again. I did that at the beginning of November, had a ball doing it. Quite a few of you logged on to have a chat with me, so I'm going to host another one on Friday. On Friday the 3rd, I will schedule it early on the channel so you know exactly what time it's at. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, do so if you want to attend the live Friday Sews next week. Yeah, I want to talk to you about plans and goals for 2025. So I have all of mine written as a list, and I want to go through the list with you and see what you've got planned for 2025. So hopefully you'll have time to join me for that. All right, so that'll do it for me this week. If you want to stick around, I'm gonna link to the latest video I filmed about using the Nancy Zeman method. If you're new around here, yeah, check that out so you know what I'm talking about. And meanwhile, I will thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.